from 8 Lux Circus, coming to you from the Rat's Nest Studios. We have got a giveaway here. That's right, you heard me. We are giving stuff away. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up if you like what we're doing. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. We really appreciate all of the support. If you're watching this on Instagram, follow the page to follow this build and like this video. What we have is the Right Line Gear Moki doorstep. It is a universal step that hooks onto the door latch U-ring on any car, truck, SUV, van, whatever it is that you drive. This is going to help you get to the roof. For those of you all outdoorsy type people, it's going to help you get your kayaks, canoes, or skis up and down off the top of your vehicle. Now, for everybody else that has lifted trucks, it's going to help you detail the top of your truck. That's right, you don't have to climb on ladders or anything else to get the top of your show truck detailed and nice and clean. It will hold up to 400 pounds. It is a universal fit for all vehicles, front and rear doors. It has a rubber bumper and coated hook to protect your vehicle. It will easily unhook to store in your center console, glove box, door compartment, or spare tire compartment. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Just lay it down here so I can get to everything I need. You have got your instructions. Let's get this open. Now it says cool. You've got your rubber end right here to protect your paint. And it says bring the hook down on the front of the door latch, lower the doorstep until the rubber bumper rests against the door frame. Now, we have one for Mega and we also have one for Dixie, which makes detailing these trucks an absolute breeze. If you have a handicapped passenger, they can use it to get in and out of your vehicle. They're lightweight, they're made of aircraft grade aluminum, and they can hold up to 400 pounds. For your chance to win, follow Dixie Belle 1500, that is Dixie Belle 1500. Tag us in your post and use the hashtag winmokidoorstep. All this info will be in the description below. I'll be choosing a winner and posting the video on Monday, February the 10th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now check back in to see if you won. Thanks for joining me, and whether you're riding high or laying low, keep on trucking.
Yeah, get that later.